If you're looking for a specialty vendor to help you with textiles and electronics after a fire or water emergency, let me introduce you to Renewal Claims. Hi, I'm Jackie Best, Director of Business Development here, and I've been with the company for over 11 years. We started in 1995 as Urban Valet, and we've morphed into a larger company that has more certifications, has expanded our territory and services to become the largest specialty restoration vendor in the Northeast. I'd like to show you quickly what we can do, so come on with us.
Our experienced field team is trained to communicate every step of the way with all parties involved. All contents we remove from a property are barcoded and received into our facility. Then each item is inspected and tagged to ensure it's delivered back to the exact room it came from. From tagging to cleaning, pressing to packaging, our production team is skilled and committed to excellence. Our specialty restoration services include the cleaning of clothing, bedding, window treatments, accessories, shoes, bags, luggage, sentimental or irreplaceable items such as wedding gowns, antique toys, or taxidermy, and our newest service, electronics cleaning, which includes TVs, computers, tablets, and other high-value items. Our on-time, every-time commitment means we contact the insured within minutes, are on-site within hours, and have their rush delivery completed within 48 hours of pickup. We also communicate quickly with the insurance adjuster, providing an update from the loss site, as well as via email after our pickup.
So the next time you need a textile or tech vendor in upstate New York or greater New England, please give us a try. Visit our website at renewalofneast.com or give us a call 24/7, 800-960-5022. Thanks for your time.